In this video, you'll learn how to sound like Darth Vader using ElevenLabs text-to-speech technology. By following these instructions, you will be able to create a voice that embodies the iconic character's deep, menacing tone. Start by opening the ElevenLabs text-to-speech interface. Once the application loads, you will see options for selecting different models. Choose either ElevenLabs V3 or Multilingual V3 to access the advanced voice settings. Next, navigate to the voice selection area. Here you should choose a deep male or narrator-style voice that resonates with authority. This choice is crucial as it forms the foundation of the Darth Vader sound you wish to create. Now, type the exact text provided for your speech. Input the following: very deep, slow, dark, menacing voice, calm and authoritative, mechanical breathing, resonant. You do not know the power of the dark side. Make sure to include the pauses as indicated, as they play a significant role in delivering the menacing tone. After entering the text, locate the generate button and click it. The system will process your input and produce the audio. Listen closely to determine if the voice captures the dark and heavy essence you are aiming for. If the output is not dark or heavy enough, you can enhance the cues. Adjust the text to read extremely deep, ominous, slow, robotic villain voice, controlled and intimidating. Your lack of discipline is disturbing. This version emphasizes stronger vocal traits to achieve a more authentic Darth Vader sound. To make your creation more effective, focus on specific traits. Ensure the voice is very deep with slow pacing and a calm yet threatening delivery. Maintain controlled authority while incorporating a slight robotic feel. Use short sentences and strong pauses to emphasize the menacing tone. Avoid casual language or emotional swings as they detract from the character's quiet menace. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.